You purchased that high-performance electric vehicle. You took the next step into the future of technology. You are now part of a community that strives for excellence and sustainability. So why wouldn't you invest in a premium EV charging station for your home? At Gramophone, we've got you covered. Being your neighbor since 1976, we know the importance of delivering a premium experience for your everyday lifestyle. Experts for installing everything from audio, video, lighting, automation, electrical, and even generators. We have ample experience, attention to detail, and access to the latest technology in the AV industry. We know that our master electricians will excel at providing you the best and most convenient EV charging solution anywhere in the home. Place a station in your garage for convenient home charging, or even upgrade with a level 2 charger for tax credit rebates and faster charge times. Spanning everything from Tesla, Rivian, Lucid, Lotus, Audi, and even Porsche. No matter the model, no matter the power, our electrical team will provide the greatest option for you. Send an email to ev@gramophone.com or find us in Timonium, Columbia, Gaithersburg, or at our beautiful Kitchen Design Center in Hunt Valley, Maryland. We're local. Wherever you are, we can get to you. We have EV charging stations at our showroom for your convenience. Stop by and talk with one of our specialists. Charge your vehicle while you test drive our high-fidelity audio and video equipment. Get started today. Get a free online quote by scanning the QR code or by clicking the link down below. We here at Gramophone are happy to help and look forward to seeing you.